Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Strata Hadoop World in New York City. I'm here with Jason Zintak. Jason, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you, Mike?
I'm doing well. So you recently took over as the CEO of Platfora.
That's correct.
What has that journey been like now? It's a recent thing, so what is it like?
That's right. It's a recent thing. It's 3 months in total I've been at Platfora, and it's been quite fun. We have an incredible opportunity with Hadoop becoming ubiquitous as the big data platform or big data market. And so, our challenge now is to sort of rise to that opportunity and help bring solutions like Platfora as they're more in demand for big data discovery.
So what are you guys up to at Platfora? What's on your innovation roadmap?
Funny you should ask. We actually had a major release of our software product, Platfora 5.0. We released that last week. So just in time here for Strata Hadoop. The innovation in 5.0 is largely around our data prep and actually leveraging Spark as the powering engine of our data prep product. And Platfora actually is an end-to-end platform where we go from raw data and the data prep all the way to visual analysis and everything in between. So it's the one-stop shop, if you will, making data discovery self-service.
So one-stop shop for data discovery and self-service? So is this for a large company, a small company, or any size company?
Yeah, Mike, I'd say it's probably anything in between. Our current customers tend to be large enterprises, but our mission statement is actually to make it accessible for the simple business analyst, not a technology exercise. And as you know, Hadoop is a rather complicated technical ecosystem, and our objective is to effectively shrink the time to insight, make it more self-service by a business analyst.
So you guys recently renamed a couple things, one from analytics to discovery.
That's right.
And what's the reasoning behind that?
Yeah, I think it's just really, as big data and the ecosystem evolves, data discovery is more descriptive of what we actually do. In fact, even Gartner is starting to talk about data discovery as a particular category. And so, unlike traditional BI, where it's simple analytics against already curated data, we actually allow you to go against multi-structure, large data, and do iterative analysis, and that's why we felt data discovery is more descriptive.
So multi-structured, so basically any kind of data?
Yeah, sure.
Unstructured, structured?
Unstructured, exactly. So, as we know, data is exploding and doubling every year, and it's no longer, BI of old or business intelligence is traditional where it's an operational reporting off of your sales data. It's actually everything. It's your Fitbit data. It's your web click data. It's your transactional sales data, and the ability to analyze against all these source data.
So we all know that Spark has been kind of the darling of the data world for probably 4 years now, 3 years. Are you guys in the Spark world? Are you guys using Spark? Is it part of your solution, or?
Yeah, indeed we are. In fact, for the last year we've been working with Spark and integrating it to the overall Platfora platform, or 5.0. So with this 5.0 release, Spark is now native to the Platfora technology, and Spark powers our data prep part of the engine. And I mentioned that we start with raw data and data prep and end with the visualization. It's core, and the benefit and leverage of Spark, as we believe it, as our customers have given us feedback, is to merely takes the technical writing out of the hands. It's now, it doesn't require code, replaces MapReduce, and allows it to be in the business analyst as opposed to a technology environment of programmers.
Excellent. So you've been at Platfora for about 3 months. So what would you give a new CEO, what kind of advice would you give them on, let's say, your first 10 days? What's important to hit the ground doing as a new CEO in an established company?
So for other CEOs around sort of big data, if you will, or data-driven?
Yeah.
I'd say is modern business intelligence against traditional perhaps BI is more about the power of that data in the hands of a business user. So traditionally it's been difficult, or it's been a project, so to speak, to get data insights or have the data you need to drive departmental decisions at a company. So I'd advise the CEO to make data self-service, make data actionable and ready to use in the hands, so it's powerful for the line of business employees, where you don't have to do an IT project, where the decisions are actually powering, the insights are discoverable in days or hours, so you can make strategy decisions for the company. And that's what I think is, I think that's what Hadoop powers, Spark powers, and overall big data is the opportunity for CEOs today.
Yeah, I hope we can give that to everyone in an organization. But yeah, Jason, thank you very much. This has been excellent.
Hey, Mike, thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.